Today, we are going to dive into setting up recurring transfers with Bank of America. It's super convenient and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, log into your Bank of America online banking. Once you're in, head over to the Pay and Transfer section. If you're on the mobile banking app, just tap your way through the Pay and Transfer menu. It's that simple. Now, let's set up those recurring transfers. Look for the recurring transfer option. It's usually under the transfer type selection. Click on that, and you're on your way to making those regular automatic transfers. Select your From account, the one you want to transfer from. Then, choose your To account where you want the money to go. Next up, enter the amount you wish to transfer, select the frequency, like monthly or weekly, and pick the start date. It's all about customizing to your needs. Double-check all the details, hit confirm, and you're done. Your recurring transfer is all set up and good to go. That's it for today, folks.